是我老家，台湾加油！
台湾加油！
台湾继续加油！
台湾加油！
我觉得台湾做得非常好，加油加油
！Cheers， 台湾，加油！
台湾，我很爱你，感谢你的努力辛苦，我们一起继续加油。
谢谢台湾，我爱你，加油！
I just want to say thank you, gracias, 谢谢台湾 Thank you Taiwan for the amazing job that
I feel safe in Taiwan. 谢谢照顾我们。
感谢你台湾，我最爱你。
We love you, Taiwan. 加油，加油。
Hello everyone, my name is John Drummond from Xiping Fang. So with the recent COVID-19 coronavirus spreading around the world, creating a lot of panic, I wanted to take the time to address all of the wonderful things that Taiwan has done to make Taiwanese and foreigners alike living here in Taiwan feel extremely safe. So I gathered some of my foreign friends to send a little love and positivity to Taiwan. So let's check it out.
Huge thanks, a huge shout out to Taiwan. You did an amazing job.
The combined efforts of the Taiwanese people all over Taiwan, from people working around the clock in healthcare, public transport, grocery stores, or even delivery services. All the people working hard to prevent the further spread of this pandemic.
I can see hand sanitizers everywhere I go, and even cameras to check your temperature, MRT today. So that's amazing.
So I would hope that the whole world can look to Taiwan as a role model and learn from Taiwan. 全世界加油，台湾加油！
台湾是我老家，台湾加油！
台湾加油！
台湾继续加油！
台湾加油！
我觉得台湾做得非常好，加油加油
！Cheers， 台湾，加油！
台湾，我很爱你，感谢你的努力辛苦，我们一起继续加油。
谢谢台湾，我爱你，加油！
I just want to say thank you, gracias, 谢谢台湾 Thank you Taiwan for the amazing job that
I feel safe in Taiwan. 谢谢照顾我们。
感谢你台湾，我最爱你。
We love you, Taiwan. 加油，加油。
Taiwan is een echte max. Goed zo blijven doordoen. 加油。
Taiwan 加油。
台湾加油。
台湾加油！全世界的朋友们也一起面对疫情，渡过难关。
You know, guys, keep it up, keep up the good fight. Love you guys. 台湾加油！
台湾就是我家，继续加油！
台湾是我们的家园，谢谢辛苦的防疫人员，大家一起加油吧！